friends, let's see the impact plate. And sometimes the clients is very worried about the impact quality. First is about the worry about the quality of the fitting. The second one is about the quality of the thread quality, and then the durability of impact plate. Let's see the first. First, you can see this plate is the 90111 impact plate. Let's see the side view about 90111 impact plate. First, you can see this top surface is very flat and also very smooth. And you can see this one is as well. And the key point is the two-port surface is very flat on the same surface. It means they will fit into the crusher very precisely. The key point is you can see our inside thread is very precisely. You can see it's very shiny, it's very beautiful. So when you test this inside hole, the core thread, you can see when we tighten the bolt, it's very smooth and it's very precisely. So when you fit this one into the crusher, it will be very precisely, tightly, and safety. What's more, when this impact plate fit into the apron, you can see this supporting surface is also very important. We make it also very flat because you can test it, so it's very flat. So everything is very flat. It means everything will be tightened precisely, 100%. Hello friends, let's see the more clear and detailed view about 90211 impact plate. First, you can see we have a four board surface, and each type of the board surface inside the thread is very precise. And also you can see this fitting surface is very flat, so we can test it. It's very flat, and also flat. And the key point is this four top surface is on the same surface level. It means when you tighten the bolt into the crusher, then each piece of the four plate will be very precisely. And the key point is you can see that each thread is very smooth. We test it. The thread is very smooth, very tightened. It's very smooth. So when you fit into the impact plate, you will feel it will be tightened and make the book sleep after working or during the work.